Morning guys, how are you? Welcome back to the channel. About to go get some coffee and not sure what else I'm doing today. I had fun yesterday. We went racing in Mexico and my freaking camera was dead. I couldn't even record for you guys. It was really annoying, and it's really what you guys been wanting to see mainly, but yeah, we'll do it again, don't worry. But let's get this day going. These freaking cicadas are flying everywhere. Do you guys see that? Woo! Better close that door before they come in here. These cicadas are literally eating us alive, guys. They're everywhere. Holy. I wish you can catch them on camera. There's like hundreds of them just flying everywhere. Yeah, let's go.
YY is hiring. We're looking for over 5,000 new associates to fill part-time and full-time positions at our stores. We provide flexible schedules, competitive pay, and opportunities.
Met my buddy here at the gas station, very nice guy. And he has this R line too. Guys, that right there was Alex. I met him through a car wash. He said he's from Germany and he really likes VWs, and he has a modded GTI, and he has that Atlas you guys saw, which is very, very nice. It's an R line as well. And it's funny that he said he's almost 45, I believe, and that he still loves the car community. He follows car stuff, goes to car shows. I think it's crazy that the fact that it doesn't matter what age, race, or anything you might be, everybody comes together for cars. And he was a really nice guy. His name was Alex. He said he's gonna follow the channel and watch some videos. But yeah, if you watch this, Alex, it was really nice meeting you and talking to you and taking pics next to your R line. But yeah, guys, wanted to share that clip with you. Take care. I'll see you soon. Let's see. We need a oh shit! Will you look at all of these? Oh hell no. Need a oh my god, these things are everywhere. Got one here. Woo! Why is there's so many of them here? Jesus. Don't forget to use this, guys. Use that. Oh my god, this is so nasty, dude.
Oh, the one is better news. Here's what we're looking forward to. friends, but with a tech. The tech giant will begin selling products at their experience centers in New York, London, Sydney next month. Online ordering or in-store pickup options will not be available. Better news, look forward to what's next. No, a safe way to pay in store. Shop safe with PayPal and Venmo.
We need some love right now. This guy right here is viral.
As they say, smiles per gallon, can't lie. I mean, yeah, it sucks, $60, but what can I do? I don't know. Hey, it's fun, it's addicting, I'm happy, I'm smiling, so you live once. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I literally took you through my whole day. It's like 9 p.m. now. So I hope you guys liked today's video. I filmed the whole day for you throughout my day. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Please subscribe. Get me to 1K subs. I can't wait to see that 4-digit number of the T-Squad family. And like the video if you enjoyed. And yeah, guys, have a good day. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe, stay happy, and go out there, chase your dreams, and have a great day. Stay hyped, stay smiling, stay positive. Thank you for watching again. Stay safe. Bye-bye.